here with one of my lovely patients who is 2 weeks after having undergone the Deuk laser disc repair for your lower back. How long did you have back pain for?
Oh, for a very long time, over 30 years.
And I know it got worse in the last 5 years.
Yes.
So tell us about the last 5 years.
Oh, I've seen so many different doctors. I've gone to physical therapy like 5 different times. Gosh, I've just really been seeking for something to help with the pain, and the pain just never would go away. I've gained probably 50 pounds because I haven't been able to be very active. So finally, my husband actually said, "Do you know about this place in Melbourne?" We had an MRI that was already done, and so that same day we dropped it off. You called me not even like 2 days later, and then we did a thing on the phone, and you said you could help me. So that's how that all went.
And did we help your back pain?
Oh yeah, tremendously. I've walked more in the last week than I've walked in 2 years. My legs are actually a little sore from...
All the walking?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the back pain you had when you came here is gone?
Gone.
That's wonderful. Now you're starting to get back into shape, you're walking, your muscles are sore, which will take time for them to heal. Now, were you offered any other treatments before we saw you that could work, like fusions or laminectomies or any of that stuff?
No, they kept saying I wasn't a surgical candidate.
But you had surgery.
Well, yeah.
With us.
Yeah.
So you were a surgical candidate.
Right, correct.
And your pain is gone as a result of that.
Yeah, and the biggest thing too was my right foot was numb, so I was scared to walk because my balance felt off. But now I'm walking without a limp. I can feel my foot. That was a big step.
Overall, are you happy with your experience at
Very happy. Very happy.
We used a laser to go in and clean out those discs and repair them so that it took your back pain away and your leg symptoms. Is there anything else you want to tell your fans out there?
Oh, your fans. Highly recommend this. I've already been talking to my brother about you. By the time I got to you, it was so much suffering, you know. But thank you very much.
Yeah, we want people not to suffer. We want to get them out of pain. The sooner they get here, the better. All right, well, thanks for sharing your story.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right.
All right.
Enjoy in good health.
You too.